Wow, there's a lot of people in there. Evening, ma'am. How are you? Thank you.
Y'all don't have those things that you can like light it. Hi, welcome to Piano.
Evening, ladies. How are you, gentlemen? Okay. I think it's my first time in this store.
Do you have your license with you?
Yes, I do.
Would you like me to give you a rewards card so you don't have to use your license next time you come in?
I think I got the key one.
Oh, you do have it with you, right?
Yeah, it's on my key ring.
I can go ahead and use that.
Oh, okay. Okay. I think I gotta get a new card though, cause I had my wallet and lost it. But so I can just discard the old one then.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. If I can get it off. Make sure I have it in my wallet. Have it. I probably don't. Good thing I did mention that. Now I don't think I have it, so I'm gonna have to start over. Yeah, the old one is. What the heck is it? Boom, there it is right there. If I can get it off.
Oh, I could just go ahead and...
Oh, break it. Oh, okay. So you transferred it to that one. Oh, that's kind of cool. You know, you can do that. Let's see if I can find it again. Ah, here it is.